Hey everyone, this is Brendan at USave. Today I'm going to be showing you our 2014 Ford Focus. Alright, here's our 2014 Ford Focus SE. Comes fully equipped with leather. I like to call the color Red Lightning. Adds a little bit of life to your day. Nice tint to keep you nice and cool. Interior looks brand new still. 116,000 miles. We are selling it for just under $6,000, makes it the #1 priced. Look at that. Your kids can put whatever they want in there. It even comes with a spoiler, so you know you're getting all the performance you need in your 2014 Ford Focus. Come see me at 1832 West Riverdale Road in Roy. I'll be here until 7 o'clock.